Hey guys, so today's gonna be a quick little vlog. I'm going to IKEA, and ooh, what's so special about that? But me and my boyfriend Richard, we've never been to IKEA together, so
never been to IKEA,
and he's never been to IKEA at all. So I'm trying to go there and get these wall shelves so I could put in my room, and you know, those little rolling carts, people been putting their roller skate stuff on there. I already have one for kitchen stuff, but I want another one. So we're gonna go there. We're going to the Costa Mesa one, and let's see how this goes. Alright, so we're like 5 minutes away from IKEA, and of course we're listening to some hype music because we're reminiscing our time at Electric Mile, listening to EDM music. And yeah, if you guys want to see our adventure when we went to Electric Mile, it was cool. Check out on my Instagram, I posted about it at Kill a Katana. I posted. But if you guys go, I recommend it. Yeah. We made it to IKEA finally. The freeway was so confusing with all this construction. Here we are. I've never been to this location before. If I like this or something, then on the bottom, well, this one says to like see it colorful. Let me see. It's a different one. Okay, look. This one. Okay, so this one. If I wanted it at the very bottom level of the store, I'm supposed to go to this aisle and this bin to find this item that's like in a box. So I want to get some wall shelves, rolling cart. I need to find that on one of their computers. Yeah, my custom toys. Okay, so we're gonna show you guys different rooms that they have here, and we're gonna tell you guys what kind of vibe it gives us, and then our preferred vibe. So we actually don't live together yet, but like when we do, it's probably gonna be in an apartment, so then we kind of know what kind of space we can work with. So this room, I would say I like it. I like how it looks. Makes me feel warm. And this is kind of like how I have my room already. I mean, not this one. I have light shelves and this kind of doors.
So this is the room you picked for your vibe.
Okay. My vibe.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Alright, so this is my choice for vibes. This is more like I get like New York, like penthouse. I don't know. That's the vibe.
So this one says it's about 400 something square footage. It's basically like a little apartment, and it's really nice. Me and Richard like how this is pretty much set up, how they use a small space. Whole kitchen, you know, if you're in the kitchen, and then you got your little living room, watching TV while you're cooking, then your bedroom, and then a cute little restroom. It's cute, looks good, everything flows. Yeah, this would be like if you got an apartment. So this is the shop that I walked in my room. It's like $2 for this, the wooden piece, and this piece. So I got 6 of these, and then I got 12 of the brackets. And I'll probably get the screws from the hardware store. And I'll put all my stuff on there. Alright guys, so I got what I wanted, which is a rolling cart, aisle 26, bin 47, and we're about to check out right now. This little cart fits in the box. Got my stuff ready to go. Now my honey is loading up the trunk for me, putting all the stuff inside. Alright guys, so now this sums up our little IKEA vlog. All the stuff that I got, I'm gonna put it together and I'll end up showing you guys how it looks. And then now it's time for us to grub, and until next time. Here's how my wall shelves look like, finally installed. I have 6 of them. They're holding my erasers. Again, you can't put more than about 20 pounds on these shelves, but they get the things done. And I ran out of screws, so this one has only 1. But it'll be fine. I'm not holding anything too heavy. And then I have the rolling carts. I already had 1, so I bought this other one, put it together. It's holding my roller skate stuff. At the top it has some cat food. And then I also bought this laundry basket from IKEA. It was about $2 to $3. And if you guys like any of these items, be sure to check it out. I will link each item in the descriptions below, and I'll also include a photo of each item. So a photo of the shelves, photo of the rolling carts, and my laundry basket. Thank you guys for watching my video, this IKEA vlog. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And that'll be a wrap. Bye!